AI detection, copyright, and plagiarism scan. This is where you're going to bring in any text that or documents that you might need to check for whether it was created in AI, whether it has copyright infringement, or it was plagiarized. And we try to give you the actual places where the copyright or plagiarism happened, and also the percentages of it that were actually created by AI. So you can come in here and paste text like I did, or you can upload a text file right here. So it's really up to you. You hit execute the scan, and the settings are AI detection. So do you want to even see if it was created in AI? So if you have someone that brought a report to you and you're wondering whether they actually used AI to create it, or do you want to look for copyright and plagiarism? So in this case, I pulled this off a local news site, and it said that 0% was detected. So they actually wrote that. That's pretty amazing. And you can see Orlando Sentinel, and that's actually where I brought it up for, just to show you really quickly. I'll clip over there. You can see that's where I pasted it from, and it found it. And so that's the important part. So I can see, that this actual data was created, and if I plagiarized it from Orlando Sentinel. So this is an area where you can check that. This sometimes comes back 100% too. If I uploaded a document that I just created in ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, or something like that, then you would see that the document would come up 100% or 70% if I kind of played with it a little bit. And then over here, you may not care whether it was created in AI because you're looking for an external news release or something you're going to put on your website. You're more worried about the copyright and plagiarism, so it'll come up in here also.